Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So now if we talk about how we can remove backgrounds from our photos uh, from by using Photoshop. Here I have downloaded Photoshop. You can download that from App Store. After downloading your app, simply click on Photoshop. Now here you can see that how you can customize your normal picture into a classic picture by adding different effects, styles and text styles. And if you and here you can also edit your raw photo into and here you can also do raw photo editing. You can also select here you can also edit a specific portion of photo with auto select, and you can also do different type of editings here. Now for using this app, first you have to create an account here. You can continue with any of these. I am choosing Google here. Now here you have to confirm your sign in. Now here provide your name, birth, date of birth and country or region. Now after providing all this information, just simply click on create account. You can see that our account is creating. Now they have also emailed us that our account is created. Simply you can also give photo access to PS. It's up to you whether you want to give full access or selective access. I'm choosing here full access anyway. Now here I have choose the photo I want to work on, and here you can start working by clicking on get start. Here you can see different colors filter that you can apply on your photo if you want to. As we are looking for background, so let's see background remover option here. Here you can see the option remove background, click on that. After clicking on that, you can see the refine selection and the generator AI. I will show you these two tools one by one. So let's begin. Now here you can see that how fast this AI generator has removed the background from the picture. Simply now you can also add different backgrounds here to the picture. This is how the picture looked with the background removed. You can see this picture. AI did a great job, no doubt, but here still you can see little bit background. AI did not did the job in that much detail. So here you can also apply different backgrounds to the background remove picture. Here you can see that I'm applying the forest background here. Let's wait for the results and see how it looks. You can see that they have applied forest background to our picture, and here you can see that they did something to the hand. I don't like this feature because here in one they did something to hand, but in the other it was okay and I like that. Now let's try the other background remover. Now here I have opened the refine selection. Simply by opening the refine selection, you can see the two options here, plus or remove. Here you can see the plus one is for adding and the minus one is for removing. So if you want to remove, then you can choose remove. Here I'm choosing remove, and after removing they will give you two options, brush option and the smart cut option. By brush option you can simply select any area with your hands, and let me show you how this brush option works. Here in brush option you can readjust the size of your dot, whether you want a small dot or you want a large dot. It's up to you. Here how large dot work and here how small dot work. For small details use small dot, and for large easy going things use a large dot. Here you can also use their feather dot options, and in feather you can also adjust the size. Now if we talk about the smart cut, here in smart cut you can simply select any square or rectangle area with this smart cut. Now let me show you how this smart cut works. This is how it works. Here you can select any square or rectangular area with smart cut, and that's how you can remove the background. Now here if you want to add anything to this picture, and for that use the plus option, and here simply again in smart cut you can use the square or rectangular to add the thing, and by brush you can do the small details. Like here if I show you this here you can also see that refine selection has not did the work in such details, but still it was I guess better than generated AI. Now here you can also do the work in detail simply by yourself, by zooming in the photo and then by removing the excess little bit background that left with the brush. You can do that simply by readjusting your brush size to small, and after that you can do these small details easily, and that's how it works. Now if we go for applying colors here for applying color, here they are saying that this is a paid feature and we can start with 14-day free trial simply by clicking on continue. If you click on continue, you can see different subscription here, and here you can see that here you can see their annually and monthly subscription, and 14-day free trial is only viable in annually subscription. And annually subscription, you can see that you have to pay 4.17 USD dollars per month, but in monthly you have to pay 4.99, almost $5 per month. And if you talk about the per annual fee, you have to pay only 49.9950, almost USD dollars per year. And this is really awesome. I guess with all these accessory features, you can buy subscription if you want to. Now also in CapCut, for removing this background, you have to access their CapCut Pro features. Now if you go to the image, you can by simply clicking on open gallery, you can see all your gallery pictures here for adding them to your background. But here simply again you have to buy a subscription for doing that. That is not free. And that's all about removing background from Photoshop.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.